Okay, so today you are going to play 2 Kahoots and you're going to do the Unit 4 standards check and illuminate, which is 4 questions related to geometry. Okay, we are still talking about partitioning wholes into equal parts and representing fractions by drawing or using a variety of models. Okay, make sure you are studying your fraction vocabulary words here. Okay, make sure you understand the difference between equal parts and not equal parts. Know what parts of a set are, parts of a whole, what a numerator and denominator is in a fraction. Okay, remember, a fraction is parts of a whole, equal parts of a whole. Okay, make sure you know what partition means, to divide into equal parts. Know that halves are 2 equal parts, fourths are 4 equal parts, thirds are 3 equal parts, fifths are 5 equal parts. Okay. Know that equal shares mean that all parts are the same size. If all the parts are not the same size, they are not equal. Okay, make sure you remember that a unit fraction always has the numerator as 1. Okay, and the sum of the unit fractions is you add them up. So for example, if we have 3/5, it would be, the sum would be 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. Okay. Okay, so today you're going to watch this video on unit fractions. That's the first thing you'll do. And then we're going to play a game called What Am I? About shape attributes. And this is the game here. So you go through the slides, but see if you can guess what the answers are. I'm a quadrilateral and a parallelogram with 2 sets of equal sides. What am I? Oh, I know what that is. That's a rectangle. See, Miss Griffin knows. Okay, we go to the next one. I'm a quadrilateral and a parallelogram with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. What am I? I'm thinking that is a square. Okay, I am right. I'm a quadrilateral and a parallelogram with only 1 set of equal sides. What am I? I am a trapezoid. Okay. I am a quadrilateral and a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. What am I? I am a rhombus. Okay, now you're going to play the shape attributes games. You're going to click here, and it's going to take you, click the blue link here. It's going to take you to a Kahoot to play. Okay, fraction of shapes Kahoot. It's 10 questions. You'll play that one. And then, I'm sorry, shape attributes Kahoot. Then you'll play the fraction of shapes Kahoot. So you've got 2 Kahoots, fraction of shapes Kahoot, which is 10 questions. And then you've got the shape attributes, which is 6 questions. Okay. So click on the links. I will copy these into the Google Classroom as well, just in case you forget to click on the links within the slides here. Okay. Then after you do that, you're going to complete the standards check, which is a 30% grade. So I'm going to just talk about the directions because there's a couple of things you have to do over here. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm not going to tell you the answers, but I am going to go through it here so you can see what you need to click on, not giving answers. Okay. So when you log in, you use your lunch number and you click begin when you click on that link. So you click on begin test, and there are only 4 questions, so it's very short, and it covers the geometry standards, G1 and G2. One is on partitioning and one is on understanding what are quadrilaterals. So it says enter the shape number that is a parallelogram. Okay, so you've got to type the number in this box here. Okay, you type one number into the shape that is a parallelogram. Which one of these blue shapes is a parallelogram? So I'm just going to guess. I'm going to pick the wrong answer. Okay. All right. I'm going to pick 3, a circle, and because I know that's not a parallelogram. And then I'm going to, you see the answer was saved. And then I come over here and I click for the next question to come up. Okay, it says enter the fraction of the circle that is shaded. Okay. Okay, so they have that little box. They want you to enter the fraction that is shaded in. Okay, so we've got this. You're going to use the symbols to help you here. So I'm going to say that is, I'm going to say it's 1. And then, oh, wait a minute. It says the answer is saved. Hold up. No, I want to click this. This is what I want to use. I want to use this. So I'm going to take that 1 out of there. Because you know a fraction has a numerator and denominator. So you want to click this. And you want to use that symbol. Okay, use that symbol. Let me go back. Looks kind of confusing. Okay, I took it out. So we want to use this symbol. Okay, and I'm going to say the fraction is 1/2. Okay, so it's letting me enter a fraction. And I enter 1 for my numerator. And I'm going to enter a 2. Wait a minute. I'm going to enter a 2 at the bottom for my numerator. Like that. Okay, so you hit the fraction symbol, do just like I did, and you want to hit the top part for the numerator and enter your number over here in yellow, and then hit the bottom number for the denominator and hit the number over there. All right, so my answer is saved. So now I'm going to go to the next question by hitting the arrow. Decide whether each shape is a rectangle. Choose yes or no for each shape. All right, I'm not giving any answers, so I'm just going to click anything, okay? You got to tell me if it's a rectangle, yes or no. I'm not giving answers. Okay, and just hit the down arrow to move it up. So I said all my answers were no. You know that I am wrong about that. Please do not copy me. I'm giving you wrong answers. So my answer was saved. You see the green. Now my last question, question 4. Students are putting stickers on their notebooks. The shaded areas on the notebooks below show the fraction of each notebook covered with stickers. Paige's notebook, Leo's notebook is a certain fraction. Jana's notebook is a certain fraction. Dee's notebook is a certain fraction. Tam's notebook is a certain fraction, and Zoe's notebook is a certain fraction. They want you to write what fraction of each notebook is covered with stickers. Drag and drop each student's name with the box below the correct fraction name. So 1/4. I'm gonna make a mistake and drag anything. So I'm gonna just drag. Let me see. Wait a minute. Drag and drop each student's name into the box below. Each student's name. Okay, how we dragging here? Let's see. Drag and drop. It says. Let me move down. Oh, okay. The names are down. The names are over here. Okay, so I'm gonna say Zoe is 1/4. So I'm gonna drag it over here, and I know I'm wrong. Okay, I'm dragging it. Hold the cursor down and drag it. I am wrong. Okay, that is not showing 1/4. Okay, and then this one, this is, let me see who this is. Let me go back up a little bit. That's Tam. Tam, I'm going to say Tam is 1/6. I'm just dragging all the wrong answers in the wrong place. And I'm going to say Dee's notebook. I'm going to drag it in the wrong place. Say it over here. Just drag it in the wrong place, giving you all the wrong answers. If you copy me, you're going to get an F. Jana's notebook, I'm going to drag it over here. And Leo's notebook, I'm going to drag it right here. And then Paige's notebook, let's see. Paige's notebook, I'm going to drag over here. I clicked on the wrong unit fractions. Okay, now I'm done. And I click on finish and review test. My answer is saved, and I click finish test. All of my answers I got a response for each one. My responses are saved, and I click finish. And that's what you do today. And you'll know that you finished when that blue check mark comes up. All right, I'm going to stop sharing. Good luck.